Alright y'all, welcome back. We're back here on the Grom and gonna do a quick top speed run. A few top speed runs just to see what we average. And I'm also gonna be using this GPS speed app as I did with my Z125 top speed video and my KLX 300 top speed video. So some people say the speedometers read a little bit high, so we'll just have a little second look on this thing right here. So this Grom is all stock, and the reason I'm doing this video right now is because I meant to do it, and then now I'm about to put a pipe on it. So before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and see what we can get for top speed on this thing. I'm guessing like 62, 63, I don't know. Right now we got a slight downhill, so we'll tuck a little bit and see what we can get. We just flashed 70. That's the first time I've ever flashed 70 on this bike for sure. Let's see what the GPS app wants to say about that. See how accurate this thing is. And who knows how accurate this little free app is anyway. Top speed 109 kilometers per hour. Alright, so 108 kilometers per hour. It looks like that converts over to about 67.1 miles per hour. So yeah, I guess it is. If this app's more accurate than the speedometer, I guess this thing is reading a little bit high. Still pretty good, but obviously that was on a downhill. So let's try another one on a little bit more of a flat surface and see what we get. I'm guessing maybe 62, but we'll see. But maybe not even for what the app will say. So let's go ahead and like maybe restart this. All right, we got the speed app running in my pocket. So let's go ahead and see what she'll do on a little more flat ground. And again, this thing is all stock, stock gearing, stock everything. I guess the only thing to mention is that it is broken in. I got 662 miles, and I just yesterday did the that break-in period oil change that you're supposed to do after about 600 miles. So it's got that oil change done, and I'm just saying that because I think all these brand new bikes do open up a little bit after like their first break-in period and their first oil change, but that could just be me. All right, we're going on a slight uphill, so this is gonna be a climb, but we'll see what we can get up to here. I'll tuck. Alright, so I think on the speedometer that one flashed, I think on the speedometer right there, that one flashed 62, and for reference, I'm like a 190-pound rider, so we'll see here what the app says, and maybe do one more run. Alright, so that one on the app said 96 kilometers per hour, so that converts over to 59.65 miles an hour. I mean, that was pretty full tuck on pretty flat ground. We probably went for like a half mile. But let's do one more test here. You know, maybe if we hopped on the highway and just held her wide for like a couple miles, we could squeeze a few more miles an hour out of it, but I'm not trying to do that on this right now. everybody, there you have it. We got to about 70 miles an hour on the speedo, but that was on a slight downhill, to be fair. That came out to, on my GPS speedometer app, it said it was about 67-ish miles an hour realistically. And then on kind of a non-downhill, we got to, oh gosh, I believe it was like 62 or 3 on the speedometer, but pretty fast for a Grom, a 125cc. I think back when I did this on my Z125, I topped it out at like 62 or 63 on the speedometer, and that came out to like 60 on the real app or something like that. But I am going to be throwing a pipe on this thing today, so definitely be sure to subscribe if you guys want to see if just a pipe will bring up the top speed of this or anything like that. So I'll definitely do another one if people want me to. But yeah, be sure to leave a like on the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.